Good morning. Welcome to number 10 of Java programming tutorial series. In this session, we are going to discuss about garbage collection in Java programming language. Java programming language is a mysterious language. It has so many mysteries. And one of the mysteries or miracles is garbage collection. Let us discuss first what is garbage. And what is garbage collection? What is to be done before garbage collection? Before garbage collection, what is to be done? Okay, first, garbage is nothing but unreferenced objects. Garbage collection nothing but reclaiming memory allocated for such objects. Okay, before garbage collection, a method called finalize is executed automatically to prepare ground for reclaiming of memory. Okay, or for garbage collection, and everything is done automatically by JVM. In JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. We can do it manually also using a method in system class by name GC. GC stands for garbage collection. Now, what is unreferenced object? Assume that you have a class, say EMP. This class is already defined. Okay. So assume that it has two parameters. One is ID and one is name. Assume that it has a constructor which takes ID and name at the time of creating object. Okay. Is this clear? So this is a class by name EMP having two parameters, ID and name, right? Now, we have one more class, say main class. It has main method. With string arguments. In this, I created one object by name E1. Okay, the parameters 101 and TVRow. Is this clear? Here, I'll show you graphically the interpretation of this. Let's go to Paintbrush. In heap memory, an object is created with data 101 and TVRow. Okay, its address is stored in stack memory. in a reference variable called E1. Okay. Now E1 stores address of this object. E1 is in stack memory. The object is in heap memory. E1 is a reference and this is object. Okay, it is like key to a treasure. To use a treasure, you need the key. If you don't have key, the treasure without key is unreachable, so unusable. Similarly, an object without a reference is unreachable and unusable. Clear? Is this clear? For example, E1 is reference to the object with this data. Okay, now suddenly what I did is I put null in E1. Okay, now this is say null. Now E1 is not pointing it, E1 is pointing it. Is this clear? Now this is, its address is stored nowhere. It has no reference. It is unreachable, unusable, and unreferenced. Such objects are removed by garbage collection. Is this clear? The memory allocated for them is recycled for other objects, for other current objects which are in use. Is this clear? In C and C++, using free and remove delete methods, we reclaim the memory. Whereas in Java, the programmer need not worry about unused objects. The Java virtual machine will take care of it. It will release the programmer from the burden of releasing the memory, so that programmer can concentrate on programming. Hope you understand it. Is this clear? So this is one example. Other example is there are two objects, E1 and E2. Okay. Two objects of EMP class whose references are E1 and E2. Right? So let us see, let's try to understand it graphically. This is one object. Its reference is stored in E1. This is another object. Its reference is E2. E2 is pointing it. Now suddenly, I created a statement E1 equal to E2. Oh, this is A and this is B. Okay, I mean address of this is A. So in A1 we have A. In E2, sorry, in E1 we have A, E2 we have B. Now what happened? E1 equal to E2. Now A is replaced by B. Then both the references are pointing to same object. Is this clear? Now this has no reference. You cannot reach it, you cannot use it. So it is unused and unreferenced object. Such objects are reclaimed by garbage collection. Is this clear? This is example 2 where unreferenced objects are encountered. Now, this is object. This is object without any reference. Is this clear? So how to interpret this? An object is created. Okay, but its address is stored nowhere. It has no reference. Such objects are called as unreferenced or dangling objects. Okay. Now such objects are removed. Such objects are removed automatically by garbage collection feature of Java Virtual Machine. Is this clear? Now the last one, finalize method. Finalize method is called before garbage collection is called. Okay. It prepares unreferenced objects for garbage collection. Okay. So what is the preparation? Closing, opened files by object. Okay, and things like this. Is this clear? That's it. This is all about garbage collection and finalize method. It is automatic. The programmer need not worry about it. The programmer can concentrate on what he is good at. That is, he can concentrate or she can concentrate on programming. Java Virtual Machine will take care of recycling or reclaiming memory of unused, unreferenced objects. But in C and C++, you'll have to do it. You will have to do it explicitly, but here it is done implicitly. Okay, but you can do it explicitly also, manually also, by a method of system class. That method is GC. Okay, is this clear? That's it. Please subscribe and like my videos. Subscribe my channel and like my videos. If you subscribe, you get automatic updates. Okay, and please post your feedback in comment section, or you can reach me personally through my WhatsApp. Thank you. Watch out for more videos.